Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on account on your Google Play Store. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here and app, then it's going to show for you a list like this, and all you have to do is to just click here on settings, then it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on general here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on notifications here, then it's going to take you here in this window. You come here to account, you just click here on this sign here. So when you click here on this sign, it's going to take you here, and you click here on show notifications in this sign here, and like we say show notifications, it's going to show for us this color here. That's mean it's on account now. So we will go back, then you come here, and like you say this color show for us, that's mean account now it's on. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.